Welcome to AIQoD360. Let's take a look at the latest mind-blowing features of our updated Smart AP. We begin by clicking on the Smart AP button and uploading bulk invoices directly from local folders. Once inside the bulk entry process, you'll see that invoices are automatically extracted, categorized, and displayed in a structured manner. Each entry provides a vendor action button, allowing you to view, add, or select invoices for further processing. You can choose to work with 5 to 50 invoices at a time and validate if the data has been extracted correctly. By clicking on the View button, you can see the full invoice and its details. Using the plus button, you can explore invoice line items, verify extracted data, and check all required fields. Once reviewed, simply select, save, and insert the entry into Tally, compatible with any version. Instantly check your Tally entries, seamlessly integrated via Smart AP. With 94% accuracy, you can retrieve specific invoice data anytime. Key benefits of Smart AP: handles large volumes with batch invoice uploads, ensures auto inventory update with every entry, offers 94% accuracy in data extraction, extremely affordable and scalable for any size of the businesses.